What is up, guys? Welcome to Burgers and Tech. I'm Cheeseburgersman, and today for your tech bits, I have Elon Musk unveils Teslabot, aka Skynet, a humanoid robot that uses vehicle AI. So what this is, a humanoid robot that is supposed to do the mundane tasks that you don't want to do anymore, such as maybe changing the oil in your car, going to the store and getting groceries, talking to someone that you don't want to talk to because it's boring. So on Thursday, Elon Musk unveiled a humanoid robot called the Teslabot that runs on the same AI used by Tesla's fleet of autonomous vehicles. The 5'8" robot is expected to weigh 125 pounds and built from lightweight materials, ready to take over humanity. Its head will be kitted with the autopilot cameras used by Tesla's vehicles to sense the environment and will contain a screen to display information. It's intended to be friendly, Elon Musk joked. That's very comforting. One thing that he pointed out was that if you could both outrun the Teslabot and overpower it. Yeah, but I mean, there's a problem there. You're gonna have these hobbyists that will probably replace the internals and replace it with much stronger motors. So Tesla rallied against use of robots as weapons, and at one point once calling it the biggest risk we face as a civilization. I guess if they're your incredibly slow, easy to overpower robot, the dangers are reduced. That should be a question mark right there. Right here we have a picture of the robot. The technical details: 5'8", 125 pounds, screen for useful information, lightweight materials, human level hands, whatever that means, 2-axis feet for balancing, 40 electromechanical actuators, 12 in the arms, 2 torso, 12 legs, 2 neck, 12 hands, force feedback sensing, 2-axis feet for balancing. Sounds like all these things can be upgraded in the Teslabot S later on down the road, right? One particular slide would eliminate dangerous and repetitive boring tasks, such as go to the store and get the following groceries. Not such a task particularly dangerous, but you might find it repetitive and boring. He goes on to say, essentially, in the future, physical work would be a choice. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. Well, that's pretty out there. He said the prototype will likely be ready by the next year. I'm gonna put this video here. All right, let's take a look at how this looks like. So it reminds me of that movie Extra Cinema, and it looks scary, very creepily close to what those robots look like. So I believe this is just the render. This is not the actual robot. Oh, this is just a human in the... It's not the actual robot, it's just a human.
5'8", has sort of a screen where the head is for useful information, but it's otherwise basically got the autopilot system in it, so it's got cameras, got 8 cameras, and yeah.
All right, there it is. If you want to check out that full video, it's on CNET. I will put the link in the description. And that's going to be it for today's tech bits. Our robot overlords, Tesla's engineering them right now before they take over the world. For your burger bits for today, McDonald's adds a light and airy glazed pull-apart donut to its fall menu. I'm a big fan of donuts. Who doesn't like donuts? This looks like a cluster of donuts, and these are going to be available starting September 1st. Light and airy, confection coated in a sugary glaze that includes tear-off shareable bite. It's a limited edition release. Available will join the chain's apple fritter, blueberry muffin, and cinnamon roll and the bakery lineup. It's retail for $1.59. Of course, that's gonna be depending where you live. It looks like a welcome addition to McDonald's menu. Can't wait to try them out. That's your burger bit for today. Thanks a lot. And finishing off today's Tech Bits, let me know what you think about Elon Musk's robots. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Thanks a lot and have a great day.